Hello friends, this is Veer. Today we are going to take standard 12th chapter number 2 final accounts. Earlier this lecture we have already discussed 2 or 3 questions related with final accounts. Today we are going to take one more questions related with final accounts. Friends, a quite lengthy and important question today we are going to discuss. This question was asked in the examinations, board examination in previous years. When this question was asked in the examination, students are a little bit confused regarding how to put those entries in the accounts. So even teachers were also disturbed at that time. So the same question today we are going to take over here. You can see I have done the calculations of you can see question number 13 is we are going to take right now. The question is, you can see in the book, Harsha and Chaya are partners of partnership firm. From the flowing information, prepare final accounts. Friends, you don't have given profit and loss ratio. Whenever I have described you earlier on, the whenever the profit and loss ratio is not given to you at that time, you had to assume it equal ratio between all the partners, one or two or whatever the partners are in the firm. Right now you have two partners, Harsha and Chaya. So we'll deal as 1 So let's start first of all with trial balance sheet. We'll discuss where those entries are to be put down. So starting with the first one, drawings is given to you. Normally drawings of any partner is to be treated as an expense. So they are to be put down at the debit side of partner's capital account. But here you have given the current account. So will all the expenses will be put down at the debit side of a partner's current account. You can see over here to drawings account of both of the partners 5,000 and 10,000 respectively. After that current account is given, we are dealing in we are dealing with the debit side of transaction, debit balances. So this is the given data of current account of Harsha. It is to be said that Harsha have a debit balance of current accounts. So the debit side of Harsha will write down their balance brought down. Normally this entry is to be down on the very upper side, but I have written before this one the drawing. So you students, just you put this entry of balance and the very first line. So at the debit side we have put the current account debit balance 6,000. Interest on capital is given to you, friends. Interest on capital is not to be given in trial balance sheet. This is the very first time given the trial balance sheet. That's why the students were little bit confused at that time. That if interest on capital is given already in the sum, where we should put it down, it should be put in the current account or should be in the profit and loss appropriation account. But whenever you have given the data regarding adjustment entries are given in the trial balance sheet, those effect first of all is to be given in profit and loss appropriation account debit side. इसका मतलब ये है कि इसके अंदर कोई ना कोई प्लस माइनस कभी ट्रांजैक्शन करना बाकी रह गया होगा. That's why they have given it to you. So at the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, to interest on capital, Harsha एक लाइन छोड़िए, then Chaya once more leave one line space. Why it is? Because there is an effect on the adjustment when we will discuss later on. After that, machinery, as you all know that machinery is a fixed asset in the assets column. Interest on loan. Now here it is to be specified which kind of interest is here of loan. Is it a loan given by partner or anyone other? But it is not given here. So we'll deal it as interest on. What is the amount of the interest? It is 200. So we have to deal here in profit and loss account debit side interest on loan of Harsha 200 in inner column, because we will see in the credit side that when Harsha's loan is given, there is a date column is given to you. There may be some additional entries to be done. After then salary, but it is specified in the column monthly salary is 1,000 rupees. Friends, your total salary is given to you 13,000. So the debit side of profit and loss account 13,000 is there. You can say if your monthly salary is 1,000, it means that 1,000 to 12,000 should be there, but it is 13,000. It shows that we have paid a prepaid salary to the worker, that is 1,000. Now prepaid salary is an income, sorry, is an assets of business. So here prepaid salary is to be shown as in the assets column as 1,000 rupees. Out of that, salary of Chaya 5,500. Any kind of expenses related with partners, they are to be shown in the profit and loss appropriation account. You can see 5,500 is over there. Receivable rent means still it is not received, so it's our assets. The in assets column 2,000. Bad debts is a loss of business in the profit and loss account. Debit side, it is to be shown as in trial balance sheet data. Then stock of goods as on 31st March 17, that is you have given 10,000. Whenever you have given a closing stock, it means that you don't have need to prepare for trading account. So directly closing stock is to be shown in the balance sheet column, asset sides. Insurance premium, so expense of business at the debit side. Now there is given something regarding insurance, out of which 1,200 for the year ending on 30th June 17. Now friends, your year is ending on 31st March 17, and this insurance premium is given up to 30th June 17, means 4, 5, 6, 3 month extra premium is given to you. So now you are going to write a final accounts up to 31st March 17. So after that, whatever the month additionally given to you, they are to be counted in the very next year. So what is to be done? They are to be treated as prepaid insurance. How will you calculate your prepaid insurance? Your insurance is there, that is 2,000 into, now your additional 3 months, so 3 by 12, you can see 3 4s are 12. Yeah, let me tell me what is the date of your insurance? That is the 31st March 17. Yes, so 3 months additional insurance. We can see of what? Yes, it is given C. Out of which 1,200 for the year ending. We are not dealing with 2,000. We are dealing with only 1,200. So 1,200 into 3 upon 12. 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. So it is 300. That is to be taken as prepaid insurance. So वो जो प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस है वो अगले साल का एक साल माइनस कर देंगे आउटर कॉलम 1700. वो प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस को कहाँ सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग? यहाँ पर दिखाएंगे प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस के कॉलम में प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस 300 इन द एसेट्स कॉलम. Then after, on the other side of credit balances, you can see Harsha have a credit balance of capital, so directly you have a current account over here, so directly capital is to be shown in the balance sheet side liability column directly. Current account of Chaya, this is the credit balance of current Chaya, so it is to be credit side of current account, balance brought down as 4,000 rupees. Interest on drawing is given to you as it is in the we have seen earlier on regarding interest on capital. Similarly, interest on drawing is given to you. Right in a column there must be an entry regarding this one. Loan of Harsha is the liability, so shown in the liability column. Loan of Harsha, date is specified. It is to be specified compulsory because there is a missing entry of 10,000. Rent in the credit side, so it's an income of business on the credit side of profit and loss account. Rent is 12,000 to be shown. Creditors is liability of 5,000, so to be shown here 5,000. Trading account means you have already prepared a trading account, so no need to calculate once again trading account, but you can see there is an entry regarding trading account. There is a missing data, so we have to prepare revised trading account once more. So that entry is to put down the credit side of trading account, right, जिसे हम कहेंगे सुधारा हुआ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. क्योंकि कभी आपको जो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट निकाल के दे दिया है, इसका मतलब आपको उसने कैलकुलेशन करके फिर आपको दिया हुआ है, और उसके बाद अब ऐसा कुछ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हमें ऐसा मालूम पड़ता है कि कोई एंट्री करनी बाकी रह गई है, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? रिवाइज्ड ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. नाउ दैट बैंक बैलेंस इज गिवन. नॉर्मली बैंक बैलेंस इज टू बी शोन इन द डेबिट साइड, बट इट इज given the credit side. It shows स्टूडेंट्स बाय मिस्टेक बैंक बैलेंस समझकर उसको एसेट्स में दिखा देंगे, but it's not a bank balance. It's a credit balance or bank balance. So it's a bank overdraft. So it is to be shown in the liability section, that is 5450. Another one, interest on current account of Harsha. Credit side is given to you. So go on the credit side, interest on current account of Harsha, that is 100. लास्टली सस्पेंस अकाउंट. सस्पेंस अकाउंट का मतलब होता है कि जब आपकी ट्रायल बैलेंस शीट नहीं मैच होती है तो उसको मैच करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, सस्पेंस अकाउंट बनाते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसकी जो रकम आती है उसको हम डाल देते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर ट्रायल बैलेंस शीट एंड सस्पेंस एंट्रीज. राइट नाउ वी will discuss the adjustment entries which have dual effect is to be given. See, the very first, provide interest 5% on capital. Now you can see friends, your capital is 20,000. So 20,000 का 5% होगा 1,000. ठीक है, उस 1,000 के सामने हमने अभी तक इंटरेस्ट कितना पे किया हुआ है, 700. तो कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग है, 300. वो जो आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटरेस्ट है वो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, पे करना पड़ेगा. उसी की एंट्री हम कैपिटल अकाउंट में, करंट अकाउंट में शो ऑफ करेंगे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ऑफ हर्षा. सिमिलरली छाया की बात करते हैं. छाया कैपिटल 30,000 है. 30,000 का इट इज़ टू बी 5%. तो 1500, 1000 ऑलरेडी इफेक्ट किया हुआ है, तो रिमेनिंग कितना रह गया, 500. सो 500 को यहाँ ऐड कर देंगे, आउटर कॉलम निकाल देंगे 2500. और दूसरी एंट्री कहाँ जाएगी अपनी, दूसरी एंट्री जाएगी आपकी पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट्स में क्रेडिट साइड पर, एज हम जहाँ दिखाते हैं वैसे का वैसे ही. ड्राइंग्स में भी कैलकुलेट करेंगे. आप देख सकते हैं आपकी ड्राइंग्स कितनी है. यहाँ पर दोनों की डेट्स अलग अलग दी हुई है. 1, 10, 16 को हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. मीन्स वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग फॉर 6 months ओनली. सो हाउ वी कैलकुलेट, यू कैन सी योर ड्राइंग इज देयर 5,000. योर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज, दैट इज 6%, but 6 months. So 1020 and 6 2 is 12, 2 3 just 6. You can see 50 into 3, so it is 150. So your interest on drawing is 150, but out of that we have calculated only 100 is given in the trial balance sheet. So still 550 is remaining. We will add over that on the credit side. Now in the current account it will be shown on the debit side. Similarly on the second one will to be done. After that, opening balance of current account, okay, 10% interest to be charged. Okay, fine. So your opening balance of Chaya is 4,000. उसका 10% कितना हो जाएगा, 400, and it is Harsha 6,000. So it will be 600. But Harsha का आपको already interest 100 दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, so इसका कितना आएगा, outstanding 500, right? So here it is to be shown 500 on the debit side. ठीक है, आउटर पार्ट निकालते हैं 600. बट छाया के बारे में कोई डेटा नहीं दिया गया था, तो डायरेक्टली 4,000 का 10% निकालेंगे, 400 वो यहाँ से डेबिट साइड पे खाली डाल देंगे यहाँ पर. व्हाट इज गिवन रिगार्डिंग, जस्ट अ मिनट. ओपनिंग 10% ऑन ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ करंट अकाउंट, दैट इज टू बी शोन 400. So here it is credit side. So in the profit and loss appropriation debit side will be shown 400 as 400. After that, provide 10% depreciation of machine. You can see machine are there 40,000. 10% कितना हो जाएगा, 4,000 वहाँ से उठाएंगे. यहाँ डेबिट साइड पर दिखा देंगे डेप ऑन मशीन 4,000. मंथली सैलरी ऑफ छाया इज 500. अगर छाया की मंथली सैलरी 500 है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ 500 into 12 करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 6,000 हो जाएगा. और हमने छाया को अभी तक कितना पे किया, 5,500 पे किया. स्टिल 500 इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. सो जो 500 आउटस्टैंडिंग है उसकी इफेक्ट हम क्या दे देंगे, आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी के तौर पर दिखा देंगे. किसी कॉलम में, छाया के कॉलम में. यहाँ पर हमने छाया का कॉलम बनाया हुआ है, वहाँ दिखा देंगे 500 रुपीज़ एज अ सैलरी ऑफ छाया एज आउटस्टैंडिंग. 500 by salary account. Because any kind of income or expenditure related with partner, they are to be shown in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation and in the credit side of current account. अगर करंट अकाउंट के डेबिट में इफेक्ट जा रही है तो उसकी दूसरी बेट कहाँ जाएगी, उसके क्रेडिट साइड पे जाएगी. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं आगे. टोटल ऑफ सेल्स बुक्स अंडर कास्ट बाय 300, आपका जो सेल बुक है टोटल है उसका 300 हमने कम गिना हुआ है, तो नाउ विल कैलकुलेट इट। इसकी एक ही इफेक्ट होगी बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट इन्फॉर्मिंग अस, सो इसकी जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन होगी उसकी वन इफेक्ट इज टू बी गिवन, ठीक है। सो एंड आफ्टर दैट लास्ट डेट इज गिवन 1700 आर टू बी ट्रांसफर टू जनरल रिजर्व, तो आपका जो भी प्रॉफिट रहेगा जो भी कुछ है उसमें 17 हम जनरल रिजर्व में ले जाएंगे। सो फर्स्ट इफेक्ट इज टू बी गिवन एट द डेबिट साइड ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, और दूसरी इफेक्ट हम रिजर्व अकाउंट को दिखाएंगे कहाँ पर, लायबिलिटी के कॉलम में। नाउ ऑल एंट्रीज आर टू बी डन, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का टोटल मानेंगे, सो यू कैन सी ये ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज 25,000, डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 24,000 होगा। ट्रांसफर करेंगे कहाँ पर, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस की और टोटल करेंगे, डिफरेंस निकालेंगे फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन सी देयर विल बी 17,000। One effect that we have left over there in the trial balance sheet, there is a loan of Harsa 10,000। कब लिया है, 1/10/16 को इंटरेस्ट लिया हुआ हम लोगों ने, तो इंटरेस्ट पे लोन लिया हुआ था, तो 10,000 के ऊपर अगर हम इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करते हैं, इट इज गिवन हियर रिगार्डिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑफ छाया Harsha, not given. So if it is not given, as we have discussed in chapter number 1, according to rule partnership firm you have to give compulsory 6% interest on loan. So अगर 10,000 का 6% हम 6 month का निकालते हैं, तो you can see it will be the outstanding interest can be shown over here is 100. So जो outstanding interest है हमारा 100, वो हम दिखा देंगे कहाँ पर, बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी के कॉलम में, ठीक है फ्रेंड्स। तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर एंट्रीज। नाउ क्लोज द अकाउंट्स वन बाय वन क्लोज करेंगे। फर्स्ट अकाउंट ट्रेडिंग, देन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, यहाँ से उठा करके ले जाएंगे प्रॉफिट को ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड, टोटल करेंगे, डेबिट साइड में डिफरेंस आएगा 8,000, उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे 2 सेक्शंस में इक्वली बिकॉज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस रेशियो इज नॉट गिवन टू यू, उसको उठा कर डाल देंगे यहाँ पर फ्रंट अकाउंट में। नाउ क्लोज द अकाउंट्स, यू कैन सी देयर इज अ हायर बैलेंस कंपेयर्ड टू अदर साइड, so difference will be on the credit side, this difference is known as closing balance। अगर ये क्रेडिट साइड बंद हो रहा है तो हम उसको डेबिट साइड मतलब करंट अकाउंट को दिखाएंगे कहाँ पे, एसेट्स के कॉलम में दिखाएंगे 7250 and 700। so at last we'll close the account and we'll find the equal total of both of the sides 72250। so this is all about friends, this is a question of 11 marks compulsory to be asked in the examination, little bit थोड़ा छोटा ही था लेकिन थोड़ा है ना, you have given 2 entries related with drawings and capital, they may affect you lot more। so ध्यान से इसको स्टडी करिए, फिर से पढ़िए, एक बार रिवाइज कीजिए, 2 बार रिवाइज कीजिए, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेकर मैं आपके सामने फिर से आऊँगा। टिल देन रिवाइज दिस वन एंड ट्राई टू सोल्व अनदर क्वेश्चंस योरसेल्फ टू, ठीक है फ्रेंड्स। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, टिल देन बाय, सी यू।